Hello and welcome to the Expert Assist Organizer tool introductory video. This tool has been generated to help site collection administration tasks be expedited. If I move my mouse over the root site, then I can click the link and then I can expand out every sub-site underneath here. And I can show sub-sites. You can see that there's a count of the number of sub-sites available, show 5 sub-sites, and here I've drilled down to the 4th level in my hierarchy. There's level 5. So when I scroll across, this app happens to be running in the organizer site. So I'm going to click on another sub-site here, and then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click on the plus button here for the org1 site. And what this allows me to do is to generate a new site. So I can create a site simply from the same screen by entering a title, URL, and then selecting the site template. All the templates will be available, so I can click Create Subsite. And while that's creating, I can still continue to perform administrative tasks. I'm moving around the screen here just to show you what the site hierarchy looks like, the visible site hierarchy, just so that you can get an idea. And while that's creating, again, you can get a good overview of your site structure, and the screen automatically refreshes to show that new site now. So I've gone actually into the first link here, which takes me into the site itself, and it opens up in a brand new tab. So that way I continue to have the organizer open. The first link there shows the settings page for the site. So I'm on the site settings page. You can see that familiar URL there if you're used to SharePoint administration. Now I'm going to go in and change the title so that you can see these changes reflected. So I add the word edit to the end and I click OK, and then when I go back to the organizer, I have a little refresh button on each site. So when I refresh it, the data updates. And now I've clicked Show Apps. So here you can see a very convenient feature where I can look at all the apps in the sub-site. I'll open up this one too and another one, just so that you can see that all the sites are different here. And when I click on the settings link next to an app, this is the site documents library, then it takes me to the settings page. So here again I'm going to do a test. I'm going to perform a test and just enter the word edit and then click the save button, and then I'll go back and I'll refresh the content on that site, and as you can see the word edit appears next to the site documents title. So it's a very convenient all-in-one feature. Now when I click the edit button again, this is even better because you can see all the views now that are associated with the app. So in this case the document library, and when I click on the link for the view, it takes me directly to that view. So you can see how convenient this is to be able to maneuver around my site structure and also see all the components. So again, I'm just performing some simple tasks here, but it saves me having to navigate around throughout and drill down into the site hierarchy per each site. So as I'm doing this, I'm not using up wasteful server resources either, because any changes that I make to the screen are actually queued. Now I've decided here to add an app from the screen again, so I'm going to add a document library into here, and I'm going to call it My List, and then I'm going to create. So here's my new app, and again when I go up and I click the refresh button, then I can see the My List documents library with all the associated views. So it's a very convenient feature to be able to have this in here and just really basically make it a one-stop shop. Now when I click on the contents link for any of the sites, it takes me to the site contents. So again, it's extremely convenient because I can view everything that's in this site now. So as I just move around, I can expand and collapse again, and I think that anyone who's worked with site collection administration can understand the convenience associated here. So if you're interested in this app or looking for more information, then please visit the website www.expertassist.com and you can submit a request for more information.